Did you know that a clogged tub drain is one of the easiest plumbing jobs to DIY? There are a couple of caveats to this. Some find the contents that you'll remove from the drain to be pretty gross, so you'll want to make sure you're not too squeamish. You will need to purchase a couple of basic hand tools if you don't already have them, but they cost less than the service fee that you'll likely otherwise be paying. And if getting on your knees is a bit of a challenge, you may want to consider purchasing a kneeling pad as well. Let me show you how it's done. We're going to start by putting the tub drain in the closed position. We will then take a small pair of pliers, grab onto the top portion, and rotate counterclockwise. This will allow the stopper to unthread from the drain assembly and pull straight up and out, allowing you open access to the clog. I like to make sure there's a surface of the tub that's dry that I can put some paper towels on. You can put the contents of the clog in this spot and easily toss them afterwards. Now, more than likely, what you're going to discover is a significant amount of hair buildup. As you shower, hair tends to come off, it can get caught in the little crosshairs of the drain, and eventually it will build up, trapping more and more hair until the system clogs and doesn't want to flow properly. Typically, the easiest way to remove this clog is to use a pair of needle nose pliers, reach in, grab bits of hair, and set them onto your paper towels. Do this until the drain is completely clear of hair. If you see a lot of hair in this location, it is almost certainly the only source of your clog, and you will not have anything further stuck down the line. With the contents of the clog completely removed, we can now put the drain stopper back into place, put it in the closed position, and thread it back in, this time going clockwise. Nothing overly tight, just turn it until it comes to a stop. Go ahead and discard the waste, test out the tub, and make sure it's flowing properly. Congratulations, you've taken care of the clog and saved yourself a service fee. Have a great day.